In this video, we will see examples for powers and exponent laws. First example, in the bracket 3x square plus y to the power of 4 whole bracket to the power of 0 plus 4 square. As per zero exponent law, if exponent is 0 for any value, answer is 1. So value of this part is 1 because exponent is 0. So answer is 1 plus 4 square. 4 square means 4 times 4 is equal to 16 is equal to 17. So next example, 5x raised to 3 multiply with 2x raised to 2. In this multiplication, first we will multiply 5 with the 2. And after that the remaining value x raised to 3 multiply with x raised to 2. So this value 5 times 2 is 10, and as per exponent rule x raised to 3 multiply with x raised to 2 is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2. Answer is 10x raised to 5. Here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next example, 5x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 3. Here we can see base is same x and exponent is 3 and 3. So we can do addition of this 5 with this 2 is equal to 7x raised to 3. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, so this is the answer. Next example, 15x raised to 8 divided by 5x raised to 3. Same thing we can write like this, 15x raised to 8 divided by 5x raised to 3. So first we will divide 15 divided by 5. Now we have remaining values x raised to 8 divided by x raised to 3. We will write here x raised to 8 divided by x raised to 3. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, and x raised to 8 divided by x raised to 3. We can use exponent rule. So x raised to 8 minus 3 is equal to x raised to 5. So answer is 3x raised to 5. Next example, here we can see 5x raised to 6 y raised to 3 in the bracket multiply with 8x raised to 3 y raised to 4 in the bracket divided by negative 4 x raised to 7 y raised to 6 in the bracket. So first we will simplify this example. We can see here 5, 8 and 4. These are numerical value. So we will put together like this. 5 multiply with 8 divided by negative 4. So next we will check base of all powers. Here the x is the base, here also x is the base, and here also x is the base. So we will separate this all. So we can see here x raised to 6 multiply with x raised to 3 divided by x raised to 7. Now in example, all remaining values have same base, y here and y here. So we will separate that all. So we can write like this, y raised to 3 multiply with y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 6. So here we can divide this 4 and 8. So answer is 2, and here the negative value. So negative value 5 times 2. So now we will simplify here the values with the base x. Here x raised to 6 multiply with x raised to 3. So as per exponent rule, x raised to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So x raised to 9 divided by x raised to 7. Same thing here, y raised to 3 multiply with y raised to 4. So answer is y raised to 3 plus 4. That means y raised to 7 divided by y raised to 6. So here we can see. Now further simplification, this value is minus 10, whereas x raised to 9 divided by x raised to 7 is equal to x raised to 9 minus 7. So here 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So x raised to 2. Here y raised to 7 divided by y raised to 6. So y raised to 7 minus 6 is equal to y raised to 1. So here we can see minus 10 x raised to 2 y. Next example, 2.3 multiply with 10 raised to 4. This whole value multiply with 3.2 times 10 raised to minus 5. So for further simplification, we will put these two value 2.3 and 3.2 together. So we can write like this, 2.3 multiply with 3.2. Now remaining value has the same base 10, here also 10. So we will put together 10 raised to 4 multiply with 10 raised to minus 5. So here this value 2.3 multiply with 3.2 is equal to 7.36. Here 10 raised to 4 multiply with 10 raised to negative 5. So as per exponent rule, 10 raised to 4 plus negative 5. So answer is 10 raised to negative 1. This value also we can write like this, 0.736. 10 raised to negative 1 means 1 divided by 10. Hope this video helped you understand examples for laws of exponents. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.